on, Connor, you can do it. You can do it, come on. There you go. There you go. Do it again. There you go. This is Connor. He is just shy of 3 months. Say he'll be 3 months in 2 more days. And right now we are learning to push the walker backwards. Forward, not so much, but backwards, we're making pretty good distance across the floor. Bye-bye, Connor. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Connor. Good job, baby boy. Look at you moving. You're rolling across that floor. Come on, do it again. Do it again. Whee! Whee! Look at us go. Come on, do it again. Oh, do it again. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. We're going to get there in reverse. Not sure where we're going, but we're going there. Oh. Yeah. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Yay! Yeah. Yeah. I think we're tired now. But so, good job. Say hi to the Grammys, Connor. Say hi to the Grammys. Bye-bye, baby boy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh.